In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar in Skool. If you run a community, host group calls, or organize trainings, Skool's calendar keeps everyone aligned and on time. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to create events like calls, webinars, and meetings, and how to set the essential details so your members always know what's happening and when. First, open your Skool group and look along the top navigation bar. You'll see a tab labeled Calendar. Click that to open the calendar view for your group. This is the central place where upcoming happenings are displayed for all members, so make sure you're inside the correct group before you proceed. The layout is straightforward, and you can switch between views to quickly scan what's coming up this week or later in the month. To create something new, look for the plus button. It's your shortcut to scheduling. Click the plus, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of event you want to add. This could be a call, a webinar, or a meeting. Pick the option that best fits your purpose. For example, a call is perfect for coaching or Q&A sessions, a webinar works well for a formal presentation, and a meeting is great for smaller internal discussions or planning sessions. Choosing the right type helps set expectations for your audience. Next, fill in the details. Start with a clear, descriptive title. Think about what someone scanning the calendar needs to know at a glance. Include the topic and the purpose so it stands out. Then set the time. Select the date and start time carefully, and take a moment to confirm the time zone if your community is global. A quick double check here avoids confusion and missed sessions later. If your session repeats, configure the recurrence so you don't have to recreate the event each time. For example, set it to repeat every week at the same time. Recurring events keep your schedule consistent and your members in the habit of attending. When everything looks good, click Add. That's it. Your event is now on the group calendar ready for members to see. Clear titles, accurate timing, and thoughtful recurrence are what make the calendar truly effective. If you ever need to adjust something, it's much easier to tweak the details before you add the event, so take a final glance before you confirm. Now you know how to use the calendar in Skool to keep your community organized, informed, and engaged. Go ahead and add your next call, webinar, or meeting so your members always know what's coming up.